What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a weekend cleaning video. It is a Saturday morning. It's actually Mother's Day weekend, so I'll be sharing with you guys what I got from my mom for Mother's Day, as well as some updates around the home and my pantry and my refrigerator. I've been showing that a lot on Instagram, so you guys can see a nice little grocery haul and how I organize my groceries every week. So I'm starting in my bedroom today. Normally I start cleaning in the kitchen, but today I just wasn't really that motivated to clean, so I started somewhere easy. I am looking for a couple more pieces or a few more to go into the bedroom. Looking for something, maybe a mirror, possibly to go behind the nightstands. And then I had a wreath that hung in the center of the canopy bed, so I'm looking for an art piece or maybe magnolia wreath. You know, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. Thanks. Alright, you guys, we are moving right along into the kitchen. Got a few dishes to clean here. I decided to do them by hand today. I don't know about you guys, but I've been using my dishwasher at least twice a day since quarantine. Lots and lots of cooking, so another reason why I wasn't as motivated to start in the kitchen today, because I literally am cleaning it every single day, sometimes twice a day. So if you are cleaning with me and not necessarily watching, I have moved over to the desk area. This is an area that is also very busy and needs to be wiped down, sanitized, dusted, all of the things. I do work from home. I was working from home prior to the quarantine, so I know that when I did start working from home, though, it was a bit of an adjustment from going into an office space every day. If you guys need or want any advice from me, let me know in the comments. I could do a separate video on that, but I definitely, suggest if you get breaks throughout the day to try to take one of them at least and get some fresh air. That's really important. Even when I was working in the office, I definitely went on walks with my coworkers and things like that. It just really helps to get the blood flowing again and helps you focus. So I do not recommend sitting at a desk for 8 hours a day and not getting up and at least moving around a bit. clearing off the entryway, removing my keys and all my little decor knick-knack items. I have really enjoyed decorating this area throughout the holidays, and now this is just my everyday setup. I found that basket that I keep underneath from TJ Maxx. I found a lot of magnolia pieces. If you are a fan of Chip and Jo from Fixer Upper, they have a line at Target, but I also find a lot of their pieces at TJ Maxx and Home Goods. So just dusting and cleaning this area off, and then I'm also going to wipe the candles after burning them for a while. The glass gets kind of cloudy, so I will be wiping that off as well. Then lastly, for today's video, I had to hurry up and get to the grocery store, so I'm just picking up all the recycling and putting it in a trash bag. Then I'm also going to take out the regular trash as well as sanitize the trash can to keep it smelling fresh and staying clean, as well as the floor. So I take everything out and I sweep and sanitize that area. Hello again, guys. It is the next day. It is Mother's Day, so happy belated Mother's Day to all of you. I did tidy up in the bathroom off camera yesterday, and like I said, I had to run to the grocery store and get my gifts for Mother's Day. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got for my mom for Mother's Day. I love the scent of this candle. It smells so good. A really nice card. Some hand and body scrub with rosehip seed oil. So I got that at Fresh Time Market, but everything else I got from Target. My mom's been really wanting to try my edge control paste, so I got her a jar of that. And then some nail polishes. Normally she gets her nails done at the salon, but due to COVID-19 she's not able to do that, so I did get her some fresh polishes and one of her favorite colors from Essie. Check in to check out. So I thought that was a really pretty orange color, and some cotton balls because I didn't know exactly what she had. So I made sure she had her base coat, top coat, nail polish remover, and some cotton balls, and the card was really nice as well. So I'm going to put all of that into a gift bag. I of course got myself a couple things. So this sugared birch smelled really good as well, and I love the natural green color. And then I got the candle that I got my mom in the same scent but in a different jar. And 2 spring colors for myself. Clearly I need to do my own nails, so that's Hula Aries and this pretty purple lacy lilac color. So, and then that's a card for AJ's mom, and then I did go back out again and get some flowers. I'm in my parents' garage. I just pulled up to the back with their favorite pancakes and French toast. Got the gift and the flowers, so a no contact Mother's Day, but we made the best of it. My mom really loved her gift, and her favorite flowers are tulips. Now for the home updates. So I got a really good deal on some frames at Target. All of these were literally on clearance, you guys. I mean, some of these frames were like 20 bucks and I got them for $5 or $6. So I love this little layout of the mismatched woods, just to give it some character. And then what I put inside of the frames, except for this one, I like that it was just a coffee and a French press, which I already own. And then I'm also showing you guys how I just used an old tequila bottle and put a fake plant in it. But inside of the picture frames, I put in photos from this magazine instead of buying prints. So that was a way to save some money. I also, this is where the Christmas tree was, but I bought some new pillows, and that's where I hide my dumbbells. And then over here at the bookshelf, I got some old books from Goodwill. So you see this white one here, and I just tried to use the books as decor. I have them organized by color, and these plants I got from Home Goods. So I really love how the bookshelf has turned out, and the baskets at the bottom are from Target. Moving into the grocery haul, I have the fruit basket full of delicious fruit. I crave fruit so much in the springtime. We've got kiwis and grapefruit, bananas, mangoes, all delicious fruits. And then taking you over to above the microwave, I got some avocados and breads, some pita pockets. I share a lot of this on Instagram, so I just want to share with you guys here on YouTube as well. If you remember, on New Year's Eve, I reorganized my pantry. I did a whole video on that, so you can check that out. But here is what I have. I love just using what I have. As far as containers, I didn't buy anything new. These are things I already had. Using my mason jars to store pretzels and oats. I love these. Actually, these are supposed to go in your refrigerator, but I use them to store oatmeal packets. And I think I have another one, yes, for my seasonings. So I love how you can just slide them out. So I can take the whole thing out and use it for cooking and then just put it right back. So that's where I keep all of my canned goods. And then this is my like health food section. I have some nuts and some almonds and pistachios in mason jars. And then I have like my chia seeds, coconut, supplements, protein powders in there. I also share with you guys on Instagram, you know, what's in my freezer. I'm giving these veggie chicken nuggets a try. They are really, really good, guys. I enjoyed them. AJ did too. These acai fruit packs are really, really good. I love the making bowls, smoothie bowls. some Boca burgers. This is something new. I haven't tried it yet. The Light Life plant-based ground quote-unquote beef. I have some frozen bananas in here, some frozen naan. This is great for making pizzas. So I have some fresh naan in the refrigerator, but then I kept another pack frozen. Fries, these are my favorite cookies, the Sweet Lorens. They're vegan, gluten-free. If you're not any of those things, please still go out and try them. That Cocoa Whip is like my ice cream these days. And then I have some frozen fruits for smoothies and gluten-free waffles. So the next part is obviously the refrigerator, and this is like my favorite part because I have figured out a system to keep things organized, but it's also really beautiful and pleasing to look at, and it just makes me want to eat all of these healthy fresh foods in my refrigerator. So I have a clear bowl in the back with a big head of cauliflower, eggplant, cucumber, all of my berries I've washed and stored in these glass meal prep containers that I purchased from Target in the dollar section. This egg container I got at TJ Maxx. I will try to find links for things that I've used and put them in the description box for you. This sauce, so good. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, tastes just like Chipotle mayo, actually better. But this section here is where I keep cheeses and butters. Then I use mason jars just all over the place for aloe, for herbs, for my green onions. Again, more fruit. I'm on a big fruit kick right now. These almond flour tortillas, I have fallen in love with the 7 brand. It is so good. Chopped celery, my lemons, more vegetables, just trying to eat as fresh and clean as possible. I of course have my junk food too, but really been trying to keep my immunity boosted during this time of quarantine. So I keep all of my bell peppers and onions, extra onions, avocados. And this is the last section. I would normally keep meats in here, but I haven't been eating meat for about 2 weeks now, so I'm gonna try some tempeh. There is some turkey from a while ago. I just don't like wasting food, so I haven't thrown it out. And I'm gonna give some polenta a try, a recipe with polenta this week. So there is that, and I'm going to show you guys my condiments. So I think you're supposed to keep like eggs and butters in there, but I've been keeping applesauce. I've been baking with it as like an egg replacement. Here's some skincare. I see a skincare fridge in my future, but this Derma E vitamin C serum is so good. I've been loving it lately. And this is an oldie but goodie, this rosehip oil. Then here is my favorite salsa as of late, the Simple Truth Organic Medium Salsa, and then another Siete product, which is the Cashew Queso. I love the Blanco too, it's so good. And that is just about it, you guys. The milks at the bottom, the first coconut and almond milk were about to go out, so I bought extras just so I wouldn't run out in the middle of the week. But I also got some wild buffalo sauce and some tamari sauce. So that is everything in my fridge, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.